Welcome to CoPilot 411. Today we're going to be talking about the SG906 GPS. This is the first generation beast drone that ZLL come out with. This is a large drone. This is over the 2.49 gram weight mark, so you have to be licensed to fly this drone. This large drone does handle wind well. It has brushless motors on it, which gives it plenty of power. Fixed gimbal. You can roll the camera up and down with the remote. It does have a spot on the remote to be able to move that camera up and down. This is a GPS drone. When you park it in the sky, it will sit there and stay pretty stable, giving you good, stable platform for video. It says this is a HD camera. It says it'll do 4K pictures. It will not do 4K video. I'm thinking maybe 720 upscaled to 1080 far as video quality. It's okay video. It's not very vivid, kind of dull, but it's doable. When you are flying this copter, you will see the movements of the actions that you put in on the sticks will show in the video since it is a fixed camera. This quadcopter, like I say, handles pretty good in the sky. It stays where it's supposed to stay because it is GPS. It does have optical sensor on the bottom, 2 antennas. It does have a modular. This camera will slide out, pops back in. There is no SD card on this particular model. So all video, all stills will be recorded to your phone, which there again, your video quality is not as good on your phone as it would be if it was coming off of a TF card that was on the drone itself. You can fly this quadcopter out probably around 600, maybe 800 feet and still get pretty good FPV. It does have some lag in it. You'll see that in the videos a little later. Overall, fairly good flight characteristics. The battery in the first generation Beast are longer than the generations after, which is the SG906 Pro and up. The batteries are different. They're longer. This battery will only work with this particular model. We do have the other drones that we will be reviewing, and stay tuned, they'll be coming out shortly. But it's good to know that this battery will not fit in the later generations of Beast. The remote on this folds out to hold your phone. Antennas on the back, one is fake, one does have a wire that runs through it, so this is an active antenna. Basic controls, fairly cheap as far as your sticks on this. Does have an LCD display on it that gives you information about your drone, GPS, satellites, how many you got, signal strength. It has speed settings here, return to home since it's GPS, power button, camera button, video button here as well. This particular remote actually has 4 AA batteries that power it. It does have gimbal roll here on the back, which is kind of awkward to get to. It has no handles that pull out, so you have to grasp the control. And it feels pretty good in the hand. I do like the handles. If it had handles, it feels a little bit better. Once you put the phone in, it gets a little heavy on the top side of it. But overall, basic remote, it does what it needs to do. Going back to the drone, it is a large drone, brushless motors. It is powerful. It's got plenty of pep. When you give it throttle, she'll go. It handles wind well. It parks itself, since it's GPS, it parks itself in the sky and stays pretty stable in the sky. So when you stop, you get pretty good image quality as far as being stable. Like I say, any movement from the controls, as far as flight characteristics, it will show in the video. First generation Beast, not a bad quadcopter if you can get it for a good price. To my knowledge, they don't make this quadcopter anymore. So if you're looking for it secondhand for a first time drone, it is not bad. We're going to watch the videos now and get your thoughts and see if you like it. Let's watch the videos. Welcome back. Well, we saw the videos. We saw all the pictures of the drone on all different sides. Like to know what your thoughts are on the video quality, flight characteristics. You saw it. Love to know your thoughts on that. Like I said, the camera quality on this one is okay. 720, 1080 at best. Not very vivid videos, but doable. If you can find this drone for a decent price, remember that it'd be a great beginner drone. Also remember that the batteries on this will not interchange with the newer SG906s. This is only for this quadcopter. It is actually longer in size than the other ones. So if you're looking at one of these, thinking about buying it, thinking you can use the batteries with the newer ones, it won't interchange. Like I say, check out our videos. They're going to be coming up on the newer model Beast. But like I say, not a bad drone if you can get it for a good price. Pretty good camera quality, pretty good flight characteristics out of this drone. We appreciate you watching the channel. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Like us and subscribe. Thanks.